Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make Opera GX your default browser. So let's get started. So to make Opera GX your default browser, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Opera GX browser, and after opening it, now in the left side of your screen you will find this gear icon. So what you can do is just simply tap on it, and then you can access your settings. From here, what you can do is just simply scroll all the way down, and after scrolling all the way down here you will find this option which says default browser. Make Opera the default browser. So what you can do is just simply tap on make default, and after tapping on make default, now you have to select Opera GX. So just search for it, and after searching for it just tap on it, and after selecting the browser, now you will find this option which says choose a default. Just tap on it and then select Opera GX and then tap on set default. And after doing this process, now you have successfully set your Opera GX as a default browser in your PC or laptop. So that's it guys, this is how to make Opera GX your default browser. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.